Hello everyone, in this video we'll be speaking about the difference between mutable and immutable objects of different data types. So the simple definition or the simple difference is that mutable means the created object can be changed, while immutable means the created object cannot be changed. But the question is, how do we know if the object created is mutable or not? It really depends on its data type. For example, objects created as strings, numbers, and specifying these numbers could be either integers or floats, Booleans, as in true, false, and tuples are all examples of immutable objects that cannot be modified once created. While objects created from lists, sets, and dictionaries are mutable and can be modified. I hope this is a good explanation for you to move forward, and I'll see you in the next video.